Look at this.
You can't roller skate in this herd.
No.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh. Hello. This one's got like pink eye or something.
I don't know, but I'm backing up.
They keep coming and coming and coming. Look at it. Surely it wouldn't just
I don't know, he's getting too close to my
bash
comfort.
you to get you out of his way. I wonder what that spot is on that one's face up there. Oh, I can't see it.
We'll just give them some room right there. We'll let them come down here in this field where they probably want to go to. So.
What do you guys think of this?
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna die. They're charged. They're walking towards us.
Who's driving whom? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, Mama?
Can you imagine? I mean, if it's this way when they're just barely meandering along, imagine if they were to stampede. What a horrible thing that would be. I wonder if that one right there is a little male. You'd think that they would like the natural turf better than the road.
Thank you. Oh no, it's coming our way. Should I go this way or that way?
Traffic jam. See, that one up there's got a spot of some kind on its face. Might just be mud. Aww. It's licking its baby. Here he comes.
Yeah.
Here's the guy. Here's the guy in the truck that we talked to before,
Yeah,
guys.
keep the camera on him,
Oh, here it goes.
this ought to be interesting.
Uh-oh, they're running.
Yeah, I'll back up and give him some room.
Oh boy. Oh
Give
boy.
him some room to go.
There they go.
There we go. Thank you. Now we're not in big doo-doo now. Get back.
Bye, you beautiful creatures.
Thank you, guys.